Many days in the spring, the only bait I throw while guiding customers is a surface lure. In this case, a prop style bait like the Berkeley spin rocket.
Oh, there he is, Topwater. Prop bait, that's what you, anytime you come to Florida and you're near the pond, you need to buy a prop bait, because when you're there at the ponds at your grandparents' house, prop bait in Florida is a staple. They love it.
There's just something about a prop bait popping over fish in the springtime that triggers them to bite when no other surface lure will.
Whoa, that's a big one. All right. Killed it more than he. Oh yeah. He's not as big as he sounded. That's for sure. Gosh, where she hit it, it sounded like a giant.
This next fish catch is partly due to watching my live scope.
I can see her on the graph.
The advances in sonar technology and live imaging views of fish underwater have absolutely changed the game of fishing.
Graphs are so good. I can see the fish live moving around. I can see that one underneath it. I'm getting nimble. Oh yeah, I saw you. I got him. There you go. Got him. There we go. There you go. See how you took your time there? Yeah. Had you done that on that last one, you would have caught the last one too. That was a little one. Just take your time with them. They're not in any hurry. When they bite that worm, you got them for the most part.
Yep. By throwing a topwater lure while my customers are swimming a worm, it's a great 1-2 punch to find and catch the fish. Here, I'm showing this customer how to remove a deeply hooked fish. By rotating the hook from behind the gill plate, you can quickly remove a hook without much harm to the fish and get it back in the water.
If you use pliers, you'll hurt it. Yeah. So you just got to go on through the gill plate. Saw that one on live scope coming to get it.
Oh wow, yeah, he's a good size.
All those trebles, I don't want to get hooked.
Try a prop bait style lure in the spring and watch your success skyrocket. Click on the link in the description below to purchase the prop bait gear I used on today's guided trip.
Just on the grass or a fish?
Do me a favor, if you like these videos, smash that subscribe button, like and share our channel, and keep up to date with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis. See you next time.